how to install the wireless zone controller. To begin, the wireless controller has three methods of how it can be powered. First is by two AA batteries installed under the panel in the back of the controller. Second, a USB-C cable can be plugged into the socket on the back of the controller above the removable panel. Keep in mind that this USB-C power socket is a permanent connection. It is not for charging the controller, so must remain connected. Third, up to 4 wireless zone remote controllers can be powered from the zone controller interface. The cables connect to terminal block TB802, using 2 terminals in consecutive order to each zone remote controller, with up to 30 meters of wiring permitted. This connects to the wiring terminals in the back on the controller hidden under the removable cover. The connection is not polar sensitive. Note, this connection is for power only, and the zone remote controllers still require the wireless receiver to communicate with the zone interface. Once the method for powering the zone remote controller is selected, there is the option to mount the controller to the wall using the mounting bracket that comes with the controller, or to use the optional freestanding mount. The wall-mounted backing plate is simple to mount. Place on the wall at the height required, level and secure into place, with the provided screws and the arrow facing up. To mount the controller, simply line up the sliding rails on the wall mounting plate to the recesses on the back of the wireless zone controller. Raise the controller slightly so the rails can recess into the larger openings and slide the controller down. To remove the controller again, simply slide the controller up and off the mount. There is a small optional screw that can be fixed to the bottom of the mounting plate to secure the controller to the backing plate. The freestanding mount has the same rails as the wall mount. Line up the rails with the recesses and slide the controller down into place. There are cutouts in the wall mounting bracket for the power cables and a cutout in the freestanding mounts for the USB-C power cable. Once the physical installation is complete, you can set up the pairing sequence from the app or main controller connected to the interface. For more details, please see the link below for how to set up zones, either from the wall controller or the Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi app.